Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog, we're gonna take you to our journey papunta sa aking hometown where I was born. This is an overnight DIY trip, so please come and join us as we explore the beauty of my hometown, Baler. So time check guys, I think it's around 10 a.m. at this time and we've already passed Norsagaray and we're on our way to Angat. Umalis kami sa bahay at around 9 a.m. and nagpa-full tank muna kami to make sure na tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe namin because it's a long ride. This trip was supposed to be canceled kasi sabi ng pinsan ko it was raining all day doon. But I think it was meant to be na matuloy itong trip na to kasi sky was clear, it has no rain, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. Hey guys, so I didn't include most of the clips papunta kasi feeling ko mabobore lang kayo. But we came from Quezon City, so ang naging route namin is Norzagaray, Angat, and then we passed the F. Viola Road going to Plaridel Bypass. And from Plaridel Bypass Road, nag-exit kami papuntang San Rafael, and then San Ildefonso going to San Miguel. So, touchdown Cabanatuan City. I think it's around 12:30 at this time. And hindi pa kami nagla-lunch since tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe namin. But I think we had one stop sa San Ildefonso para mag-water break and para magpalit ng shoes ko. So, my advice to those who are traveling via a motorcycle, number 1 is to wear a comfortable shoes. Number 2, wear a comfortable helmet. Number 3, wear a double mask. Number 4, wear a breathable jacket. And number 5, magdala kayo ng kapote just in case. And number 6, I think you have to bring cash kasi like me na ma-card, hindi advisable sa long ride yun kasi bihira yung mga ATM since malalayo yung mga bayan-bayan dito. So, it would be convenient na magdala ng cash kapag may emergency and you have to pay in cash. So, yep. Hey guys, so I wasn't able to insert the clip ng kumain kami sa 7-Eleven ng late lunch kasi around 2 p.m. na rin yun and we haven't had lunch. So that was the only stop that we made para kumain. So if you're in a budget and gusto nyo makatipid, pwede na yung 7-Eleven guys. Hey guys, so nandito pa rin tayo sa Pantabangan Road going to Aurora. I think it's just a few minutes away from the boundary. And at this moment, naghahanap na kami ng gas station kasi medyo alangan kami kung aabot yung gas namin papuntang Baler. Just to make sure na aabot kami. And thank God, may nadaanan kaming Petron on the way. And so, all in all, I think 368 na yung napagas namin from our place, which is Fairview, Quezon City. And here we are crossing the boundary, and it's a surreal feeling na finally nakatungtong ulit ako sa hometown ko after 20 plus years. So time check guys, dumating kami dito sa spot na to around 3 p.m. and now we're crossing this historical bridge na ginamit pa during the Japanese era. I'm not so sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. And I hope this video gave justice how beautiful and magical Aurora is. Just look at the view. So time check guys, it's almost 4 p.m. in the afternoon and we're still in Maria Aurora, which is a town away from Baler. And nandito na rin yung isa sa mga tourist spot here, which is the Balete tree or the Millennium tree. And due to time constraint, dinaanan na rin namin siya para ma-maximize namin yung time namin dito since overnight trip lang to. So guys, just additional information if you decided to stop by here. Wala silang entrance fee, although may parking fee na babayaran. I think it's around 30 pesos kapag motor and 50 pesos kapag four-wheel. Time check guys, it's around 5:30 p.m. at this time, and before kami pumunta dito sa Museo de Baler, binaba na namin yung mga gamit namin dun sa place na tutulayan namin overnight. Unfortunately, hindi na namin siya naabotang bukas, pero kung gusto nyong i-visit to, bukas sila from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and their entrance fee is around 30 pesos. This is a sentimental moment for me because this is the exact location where I was born. This used to be a hospital, but they moved the hospital to the other location. So to be able to be back to this place again was quite momentous. So, another spot na pwede niyong puntahan here is yung bahay ni Aurora Aragon Quezon, which is the wife of Manuel L. Quezon. The entrance fee is 100 pesos and they're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And across that is the oldest church in Baler, which is built in the 1600. So nice. So guys, a few minutes away lang from the City Hall is yung Sabang Beach, another tourist spot na pwede nyong puntahan. This is the famous surfing spot as well. Marami na ditong restaurants, hotels, transients, accommodations na pwede nyong pagstayan. We are on our way to Sabang. Wow. So, if you wanna go swim or just check out the beach, meron sila ditong for public. You don't need to check in sa mga hotels nila. But hindi lang, medyo na-disappoint lang kami sa cleanliness kasi hindi masyadong na-maintain when it comes to garbage disposal. But overall, the place is still amazing. Nag-stop over lang kami dito sa kilalang bake shop para itry yung bestseller nilang kiwi cupcake before kami kumain ng dinner sa Kubli. This is one of the highly recommended restaurant here in Baler. So, if you want to try good food, nice ambiance, live music, I would definitely recommend this restaurant. Medyo pricey lang yung food nila, but might as well try it for experience. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a mini tour dito sa place na pinagstayan namin overnight. And upon entering the place, meron silang living space na pwede nyong pagtambayan or while reading the book or having your coffee in the morning. And behind that wall are the bunk beds. I think this space can accommodate 8 person. So ideal talaga siya for barkada, for backpackers, or even for family. And that door is leading to a balcony, which is another place na pwede nyo ring pagtambayan at night. And this place, you feel like it's your own place kasi may bakod siya. And I think this is my favorite part, which is the outdoor shower. Meron silang separate comfort room, so no worries about that. And from the comfort room, there's another balcony na pwede nyo ring pagtambayan. So there's a lot of space, which I really love, and it feels secluded. If you're asking, we spent 1,000 pesos per night for this place, and we're so lucky at that time kami lang talaga yung nandun. And there's another outdoor shower na pwede nyong gamitin, which is so nice. And this is towards outside the property. As you can see, nature vibe lang siya, which is the reason why I chose this place. Sobrang relaxing, peaceful, walang ingay, and yet malapit siya sa city proper, which is very convenient kung gusto nyong bumili ng food or pumunta sa other tourist spot. Malapit lang siya, 5 minutes away. Actually, dito sa loob ng compound may mga restaurants na pwede nyong i-try. Like yung Mithi, yung Happy Hots, yung Kingfisher, which is highly recommendable by others. And they also have a pool. Pero hindi namin siya na-try, so next time na lang. And there's also a yoga place. According to the owner, this used to be a bar. Ang ganda lang ng concept nila and ang artsy ng place. So if you're a type of person na dinidig yung ganitong vibe, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this place. Just additional information guys, yung accommodation namin dito na 500 pesos, may kasama na siyang breakfast, but with no aircon. But if you prefer one, meron din sila. Just check out their FB page. I will link it below. And overall, I would highly recommend this place. Hey guys, so we're in day 2 and time check tayo around 8 a.m. in the morning. Inagahan talaga namin kasi by noon mag-check out na rin kami. From our place to Decaselerin, it's around 30 minutes drive. So kung pupunta kayo dito, I would advise na mas maaga kayo para hindi masyadong mainit and mas marami pa kayong ma-explore na place. Going to Decaselerin Cove, may mga madadaanan na rin kayong tourist spot like yung Ermita Hill, yung Hanging Bridge, yung Digisit Beach, yung Digisit Rock Formation and Falls. So, mamamaximize nyo na rin talaga yung time nyo pag pumunta kayo dito. Hey guys, sadly our mini vacation is over, but we'll be going back here again for sure. I hope may natutunan kayo sa vlog na ito. If you wanna visit Baler as well, we've experienced bumps and humps along the way, but I tell you that it's definitely all worth it. I'll see you on my next adventure guys. Bye!
This ain't love, then I don't know what love is. Baby, you've been on my mind for way too long. If this ain't love, then I don't ever want it.